Glad you're here, guys. Now we're ready to start. So, soap and toothbrush. If you have any mold stains or perhaps your case is just plain dirty with dust and grime, then all it needs is a good wash. Grab a small bowl and fill it with some warm water and soap or dish detergent, so like this. Use a toothbrush or something similar to brush away at the dirt or mildly stained areas. This solution is great for giving your case a quick clean and having it look good as new. See? Clean and clear as new. You can't see? It's because you didn't have your own casey yet. Click below this video and grab yours right now.